Hey, what you guys, I'm back with another video. But right here I'm just showing you guys where I'm gonna be cutting it, because the white part on this mannequin head is where my neck is. So it's like you just gotta find where your area at on your mannequin head, because this mannequin head is not like a normal mannequin head. It's like don't have a face or anything, so you really just gotta know where to cut it. So the white part on this mannequin head is where my neck is. So this is where I'm cutting it. Okay, you guys, so right here my hair is braided, so don't think your girl ain't got no head, no hair, because baby I do. It's just braid. Okay, but right here I'm just putting edge control on and just to push my edges back, because I don't need my edges to be getting stuck on no glue and then my edges coming out, like, no. So I'm just pushing it back with some edge control. And then right here you guys see me using the alcohol to get any oil or anything off my forehead. Honey spray. I'm just now used to this. I never really used this before. I used to use it to lay down my lace and it didn't last. Like I don't know how I feel about it. It was like okay, but you can't sweat with it. Like y'all, what you do, you cannot sweat. Not even a slick look white is coming up. Okay, so but it's a good holding spray though. I use it when I curl my units and they do really good. I think I'm gonna cut it some more because I don't like when my hair be like folding and shit right there because of my neck. I don't got a lot of neck, so you get what I'm saying? I don't like that. But yeah, I think I'm gonna cut it. I think this side is a little bit longer. Am I tripping? Yeah, it's just a tad bit, like a centimeter. But yeah. But you guys saw how I cut this unit. I already did a review on this unit. It's on my channel. I don't know if I'm gonna post this one or the other one, but it's the 16-inch that I already did on my channel. My lips dry as hell. It's the 16-inch that I already did on my channel, and it's like a little curl bang when I tried to curl it. It's that one, but I just went on and cut it because it's like, who finna do something with a hat right there? See what I'm saying? So I just went on and cut it, and this is how I look, you know. But yeah, so if you guys like this video, like, comment, and subscribe. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, okay? Get your girl to 1,000. Follow me on my Instagram, also my lash Instagram, because that will also be in the description down below. If you are in St. Louis, Missouri, hold on, let me mute you. If you are in St. Louis, Missouri, then follow me on my Instagram, Instagram. Come get your lashes on here, because what are you doing? You know. So like I said, I'm in St. Louis, Missouri, a lash tech, certified lash tech. So that will be in my description also. And don't forget to subscribe. Bitches get up, I don't know how to act. Subscribe, you know. Subscribe. Nah, that's lame as fuck. But yeah, and subscribe, like I said. Subscribe. Bye, loves.